I was drafted into the Army in 1951, and then was sent overseas in December of 51. And on the way to Korea, we had a 10-day delay en route, so I came home to Galveston, and I brought a friend with me, and he was staying with us, and we was going out, and he went out with my sister, and I was going out with a friend of my sister's, and she couldn't go out with me that night on account of she had a sister at home that couldn't go because she's taking care of her. So I called her up and asked her if she'd go out with me and with us. And so, needless to say, 10 days later we was engaged. And she took me to the train station, and that's when I asked her if she'd marry me, and she said yes. And she wanted to get married right there, and I said no, when I get back from Korea. So I got out of Korea in February of 53, and we got married in July of 53, and was married for 58 years.